It's the 30th of July 2022, almost the earliest.
Kiinteistöosakeyhtiö Lahden Ankkuri Helmi Hinaajakatu one.
Yes, it's Hinaajakatu one. Here in Ankkuri, one of the suburbs of Lahti, Finland. And of course, I still have to get to the building 4 staircase B later with the summer 1999 I filmed the staircase A, but I still need the staircase B there. Otherwise, there are a few sigmas here around in the area that I'm going to connect to later. And maybe nothing more because we haven't seen Otis 2000 yet.
Yeah.
We don't need to film KSS either.
Yeah.
So probably there's nothing more than that. But still, there's something interesting here, definitely. It was built in 2002. Turning 20 years old this year is 2022. And this number is H71417. It will be inspected in 2024. This might be early 2002.
Yeah.
Did somebody press the button downstairs?
Probably.
Now we can continue. I'll turn on the lights. The first floor is used as the main floor here.
Yeah.
Second ride.
Is built by Hinaajakatu and maintained by Kone. And the case should be the main floor. Because there's street level. And another street level is between floors K and 1, but nothing at 1.
That's really weird. Okay, should have been the green one here.
Yeah.
Well, that's it. Thank you very much.
That's